Welcome to Can CAD channel. Today we're exploring an essential AutoCAD feature that adds depth and detail to your drawings. The Hatch command. The Hatch command is your go-to tool for filling areas with pattern, texture, or solid fills. It's perfect for editing details like walls, floor, materials to your designs. Before using Hatch command, it's important to prepare your drawings. First, we'll trim any unwanted line in the walls. Use the trim command to clean up your boundaries and make sure they are ready for hatching. You find the Hatch command in the Home tab on the Draw panel. Click the Hatch symbol. And Hatch creation panel will appear. In the Hatch creation panel, you can choose pattern type. For this example, select solid from the pattern section. Once you active the Hatch command, your cursor change to help you identify closed area. Simply hover over the area you want to fill and click Apply the Hatch. Let's use the Hatch tool to fill all walls in the drawings. Remember, the Hatch command only works on closed areas. If you come across the issue, use commands to fix gaps in your boundaries before applying the Hatch. And it's all for today. The Hatch command simplified. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips. Thanks for watching.